Tired of typing out Webex meeting details every time? Copy them instantly with one click. Here is how. I will show you exactly where to find the copy button in Webex, from signing in to pasting the info. So let us start from the very beginning. Go ahead and sign in to your Webex account. I have done this countless times, and the first thing you want to do is make sure you are logged into the web version or the desktop app. Whatever you prefer, just get signed in. Now, look over to the left sidebar. You will see a list of options. Click on Meetings. This is where all your scheduled calls live, and it is the central hub for anything meeting related. Once you click that, the main area will switch over to show your upcoming calendar. From here, find the specific meeting you need to share. Just click directly on it. I have tested this on dozens of different meetings, and it always works the same way. A Details panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. Give it a second to load all the information. Now here is the part that trips a lot of people up. Look inside that panel for a section called Meeting Information. If it is collapsed, meaning you only see the header with a little arrow or plus sign next to it, click on that to expand it. You want to see the full details, like the meeting link, the password, and the dial-in numbers. And here is the really important part. Right next to that meeting information header, you will see a small button that says Copy. Click it. Just one click. That is all it takes. Webex will instantly grab all those details and save them to your clipboard. You might see a brief notification pop up saying something like Copied to Clipboard. That is your confirmation that it worked. Now, switch over to whatever app you want to share the meeting details in. Maybe it is an email, a Slack message, a text, or a document. Just open that app and click into the text field where you want the info to go. Right-click and select Paste, or just use the keyboard shortcut Control-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. The full meeting information, all neatly formatted, will appear instantly. Take a quick look to verify everything pasted correctly. You should see the meeting link, the password, and the phone numbers, all there and ready to go. From fumbling to find and manually type out details, you have now copied and pasted everything in under 30 seconds. Your meeting information is ready to share with anyone. No more typos, no more wasted time. Just clean, instant sharing.